What happens when Chinese high-tech prowess meets the high-fashion streets of Milan? I'm Ava, and today on Vision Effect TV, we are at the global premiere of the Geely Galaxy M7. Debuting right here in Italy, the M7 is Geely's boldest move yet in the premium plug-in hybrid SUV market. It's not just a car, it's a long-distance athlete wrapped in a designer suit. With a staggering combined range that defies expectations, the Galaxy M7 is here to prove that range anxiety is officially a thing of the past. Let's explore this Milanese masterpiece. The aesthetic of elegance, the Galaxy M7 introduces the brand's latest family design language, featuring a sleek, closed-off front grille and a stunning full-width LED light bar that echoes the lights of a futuristic city. Its silhouette is a perfect blend of power and aerodynamics, with fluid character lines and a floating roof design that feels right at home on the streets of Milan. Notice the details, the exquisite chrome accents and those sharp, integrated headlights. It measures 4.7 meters of pure sophistication, balancing a muscular SUV stance with the grace of a grand tourer. The 1,730 kilometers miracle. Now, let's talk about the black tech under the hood. The Galaxy M7 is powered by Geely's new Qianli plug-in hybrid system, featuring a 1.5-liter dedicated hybrid engine. But here's the headline. It boasts a combined range of 1,730 kilometers. That's enough to drive from Milan to London on a single tank and charge. With its Aegis Golden Brick battery, it offers a pure electric range of up to 225 kilometers, and even with a depleted battery, it only sips 3.35 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers. This is peak efficiency meeting peak performance. The intelligent living room. Inside, the M7 is a sanctuary of technology and luxury. The cabin is dominated by a 15.4-inch 2.5K Ultra HD touchscreen powered by the Flyme Auto 2.0 system. It's seamless, fast, and incredibly intuitive. From the wood-grain accents on the center console to the crystal, tactile controls, every touchpoint feels premium. With high-end variants featuring the Qianli Haohan H3 intelligent driving system, the M7 offers highway and automated parking, making every journey as effortless as a stroll through the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele. The new standard, the Geely Galaxy M7, isn't just a new model, it's a signal that the hybrid era is reaching its zenith. By combining a massive electric range with ultra-low fuel consumption and world-class design, Geely has set a new benchmark for family SUVs. So, could this be the hybrid that finally makes you ditch pure petrol for good? Let me know in the comments. I'm Ava, and for the latest in global tech premieres, keep it locked on Vision Effect TV. Ciao from Milan.